Let's start discussing exercises related to vocabulary portion now. So our first question related to vocabulary portion is, use dictionary to identify the pronunciation of the following words with pronunciation key and then use in sentences. So we have certain words, we are supposed to use them in sentences after finding out their pronunciation. So I'll be pronouncing them as well. First word is nod. Its sentence is, babies like to gnaw hard objects when they are teething. Second is monstrous. The killer committed monstrous acts. Third is derisively. Its sentence is, she grinned derisively while I seethed with rage. Fourth is plateau. Its sentence is, the whole plateau comprises one vast upland plain. And the last word is devour. Its sentence is, the big fish continued to devour the little ones. Let's move on to second exercise, which is write the words related to cooking in front of their meaning. So हमारे पास कुछ words हैं जो cooking field से related हैं. Their meanings are written and we are supposed to write the exact word in front of the meanings. First is mark with knife without cutting. इसको हम कहेंगे score. Second is take skin of fruit vegetable. This will be peel. Third is cut into cubes. It will be dice. Fourth is shake powder through a fine mesh net. You sieve things that way. Fifth is massage with hands. Knead. जैसे कि हम आटा knead करते हैं. Sixth is cook in hot water. You boil things that way. Seventh is turn heat down to heat slowly. You simmer things that way. Eighth is use implement to cut food into shreds. यहाँ grate आएगा. Ninth is cook using hot oil in a pan. You fry things that way. 10th is cut very roughly. यहाँ chop आएगा. 11th is stir ingredients together. So यहाँ पे you'll write mix. 12th is cut into thin slices like paper. Slice. 13th is cook in oven without oil. Bake. 14th is cook in oven with oil. Roast. So we are done with the vocabulary portion. Thank you.